Look around, through the ongoing wave of Industry 4.0. From industry to daily life, it has made things more convenient for us. Technology is changing our way of life in unprecedented ways. We integrate control technology with manufacturing capability, complemented by sophisticated key components such as transmission elements, bearings, motors, and spindles. Outstanding AI visual and tactile sensing technologies assist in automation upgrades. For automated equipment and control systems, complete plant automation, and the digital management of smart factories, we are ushering in a new era of smart manufacturing. We are TAIROA. For the past 40 years, we have witnessed the development of the industry, leading Taiwan to move forward continuously. We promote industry-academia collaboration through training programs and competitions to cultivate needed talent. Automation and robotics certification exams enhance students' skills and job readiness, providing the industry with professionals who drive continuous development and innovation. We set robotics and smart manufacturing standards in Taiwan, contribute to international standards, and support government efforts in promoting safety and self-regulation. We also develop TARs to enhance Taiwanese product specifications and visibility. We integrate multiple public associations and corporations to engage in cross-domain alliances through expert seminars, technical discussions, cross-domain networking. We enhance exchanges and resource acquisition. We also publish industry journals to continuously provide the latest industry information. We annually organize international visits, conferences, and forums to promote domestic exhibitions and global connectivity. As the sole member of the International Federation of Robotics in Taiwan, we host the exhibition annually, bolstering our international presence. Additionally, our TAIROA B2B platform fosters a strong digital marketing network. Our mission has been to deepen industrial environmental development and expand value creation, connecting technology seekers and technology providers across the globe. As AI expands, so will healthcare and entertainment experiences. With the aim of achieving net zero carbon emissions by 2030, we're innovating for a sustainable future, ready to move forward for a better tomorrow. TAIROA.